An interactive session was organized on a district level for the central scheme Beneficiaries of Southwest Garo Hills. The program was held at DRDA Conference Hall, Ampati on Tuesday as a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Deputy Commissioner S.K. Marak interacted with beneficiaries who were present on the occasion and also took note of the feedbacks received from these beneficiaries regarding the implementation of various central schemes in the presence of other important members of the society. Members also took part in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's nationwide virtual interaction program with the beneficiaries of various central schemes from Shimla, Himachal Pradesh through live stream at the venue. The aims and objectives of the interactive session is to not only look at the impact but also to discuss how the schemes could be improved upon so as to lead to a life of dignity to all and to prepare the nation for socio-economic ascendancy. Few schemes and programs proposed for the interactions were Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi, Pradhan Mantri Ujwala Yojana, Poshan Abhiyan, Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, Ayushman Bharat PM Jan Arogya Yojana, Jal Jeevan Mission, and Amrut, among many others.